Hello, my friend, and thank you for watching our video at keystoarizona.com. This is Matthew Jeschke, and I want to encourage you to hop over to the website and check out our buying and selling tutorials. Those are completely complimentary, and will tell you exactly how to rock the market. We represent buyers and sellers. I offer professional photography and videography services, as well as am a licensed drone pilot. I also have staging and decorating packages available for those listing clients. So go ahead and give me a call. Matthew Jeschke, 520-344-3481.